Welcome guys to another video. This is the gaming Wolverine. So we're outside and we're gonna be playing with the dogs over there. See that little doggy over there? See him, see her. Later. And look at Polar the Grompo over there. Come on, Bailey. That was Bailey right there, okay, guys? Ew. And so we're gonna do this video real quick, and then we can get started. And that's what happens when you have a pet. They pee. Never mind, that was poop. Ew. Ew. How's this? Really, Bailey? Come on, Bailey. You. This is my second video, okay, guys? If you want to watch my first video, it's I forgot what it was. It's Brave. I recorded Brave, so you can subscribe on that. Look at Bailey. She's a little butch. Ran into Bailey. Sorry, Bailey. Hey, no licking the phone. Let's lick the phone. Here, just gonna make the screen there. Yeah. This is my first outside videos, so you should subscribe on this and like this. And guys, can you not see the spider web? It's definitely not here on the camera. I can't even see it on the oh, did you see that? That's on the web. Then this is on the web too. That's a spider web. Look at that. He's staring at me. Here. There's Bailey. Okay, I'm gonna get the Bailey under. Get her go. Okay. Go that way. Look at her over there. Oh, she spotted me. She spotted me. She spotted me. Look at her. Oh! I got some horses. Kara. Oh! She has spotted me again. And those are flipping. You can't see. Okay. can see. The heck? Never hear me coming. Shall never hear me coming. Unless he's over there. Look at her. She's spotting me again. Billy Hunter grab knife and then stab Bailey. Hey, you. Get him, baby, get him. Get him, baby, get him. Get him, Bailey, get him. Get him, Bailey, get him. Get him, Bailey, get him. Come here, my Bailers. Mwah. Mwah. Ew. That's so gross. Come on, babe. Ow. Barefooted. What are you doing? Well, guys, we're gonna have to end it here and say goodbye, Bailey. That's our goodbye voice. So, goodbye.